Microphone plus inline control. Use your Lightning headphones with any computer's USB-A port. This headphone jack supports talking over the mic and inline control, including pausing music, skipping tracks, adjusting volume. The transmission speed of USB 3.0 is faster than that of USB 2.0, allowing your call is clearer. MFi Certified. MFi certification and strict quality testing ensure your devices are charged safely. With Apple Original Chip, UGREEN Lightning headphone adapter works flawlessly to connect Lightning headphones to USB-A devices. No warning messages or pop-ups. Unrivaled stereo sound. With this Lightning dongle, you can enjoy listening music throughout the day without degrading audio quality. When the headphone connected, you can still use your mic, pause or skip tracks, and adjust the volume. Unrivaled durability. Nylon braided lightning cord aluminum case, resulting in a soft and robust cable with superior toughness. 10,000 plus bend tests and 10,000 plus insertion withdrawal tests ensure the durability of this Lightning headphones jack adapter. Broad compatibility. UGREEN USB-A to Lightning adapter cable is widely compatible with MacBook Pro, Air, USB tablets, laptops, PC with Windows 10 and above, macOS, Linux, Ubuntu. So that you can connect your Lightning earphones with the USB-A devices easily with this adapter cable. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed. Good product. Exactly what I needed to connect my Apple earplugs to my laptop. The sound quality is good and so far so good.